Welcome to this presentation on how to write the CMI Level 3 questions for marketing assessment for 2024-25. You can visit our website by clicking on link provided in comment sections or chat with us on WhatsApp on clicking link to get best expert help. You will find how to write this question in this video. Kindly subscribe us to and message us on
CMI Level 3 refers to a structured level of learning aimed at developing skills and knowledge for individuals in supervisory roles. In a marketing context, it focuses on planning and executing tasks that align with business objectives. This involves strategic thinking, understanding target audiences, and applying marketing principles to real-life challenges. The goal is to train individuals to contribute to the marketing strategy actively, ensuring tasks are aligned with the broader vision of the organization. Responsibilities may include overseeing campaigns, managing budgets, or coordinating with teams. It's essential to consider how marketing decisions impact the company's goals and how strategy plays a key role in achieving success. Marketing at CMI Level 3 also requires the ability to evaluate performance, adjust approaches, and communicate effectively with stakeholders. These competencies prepare learners to take on more advanced planning and leadership tasks in their marketing careers. The first step in any marketing task is a thorough situation analysis. This involves understanding both the internal environment, strengths and weaknesses, and the external environment, opportunities and threats, through SWOT analysis. Additionally, a pestle analysis helps evaluate wider factors such as political, economic, social, technological, legal, and environmental influences. This step ensures the marketing strategy is rooted in reality and responsive to current market conditions. Gathering data from customer feedback, sales reports, and competitor analysis helps paint a clear picture. For example, a shift in customer preferences towards sustainable products could present both a challenge and an opportunity. By summarizing key insights, marketers can identify areas where the company needs to improve and where it can gain an advantage. A strong situation analysis forms the foundation for setting realistic and impactful marketing objectives in the next step. The next critical step is setting SMART objectives. This framework ensures marketing goals are clearly defined and attainable. Each objective must be specific, clear and focused, measurable, trackable with data, achievable, realistic given resources, relevant, aligned with business needs, and time-bound, linked to a timeline. For example, an objective might be to increase Instagram engagement by 20% over the next 3 months. Such a goal is easy to communicate and track. It's important that these objectives reflect the company's broader vision and brand identity. Objectives should also be customer-focused, driven by insights from the situation analysis, and broken into smaller tasks for execution. For example, if the objective is to grow email subscribers, tasks may include creating lead magnets, optimizing landing pages, and running targeted ad campaigns. Clear objectives give direction to the marketing plan and guide team efforts effectively. Strategic and tactical planning is where objectives turn into actions. Start by selecting the marketing mix elements: product, price, place, and promotion. Depending on the task, this could expand to include people, process, and physical evidence, 7 Ps. Next, decide which channels will be most effective, such as social media for awareness or email for retention. Resource planning includes setting deadlines, assigning roles, and estimating costs. For instance, a campaign to launch a new product may require a content calendar, paid ads, influencer partnerships, and team coordination. Tactical planning ensures each task is executed efficiently and on time. Collaboration tools like Trello or Monday.com can help manage project flow. The strategy should also include contingency plans to adapt quickly if a channel underperforms or budget adjustments are needed. A well-planned strategy is both proactive and flexible, providing a roadmap from vision to action. The final step is monitoring and evaluation. This ensures the marketing task remains on track and delivers value. Start by setting key performance indicators, KPIs, like click-through rate, CTR, return on investment, ROI, or customer acquisition cost, CAC. Tools like Google Analytics or Meta Business Suite can provide real-time insights into campaign performance. If something isn't working, such as low engagement or high bounce rates, be prepared to adjust tactics, such as changing messaging or targeting. Ongoing analysis allows marketers to stay agile and optimize outcomes continuously. Evaluation should also include a reflective component, where the team reviews what went well and what could be improved. Documenting these lessons can inform future campaigns and refine marketing processes. Monitoring and evaluation close the loop in the strategic process, ensuring accountability, learning, and continuous improvement in marketing performance.